about 4 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon. Reports of a crash on County Road 30 to the north of Sarcoxie. M&M wrecker on the scene recovering the utility bucket truck. Missouri State Highway Patrol are investigating the crash. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now. On scene, we observed just to the south of Conifer Lane on County Road 30, the truck had gone off-road to the right, overcorrected, and then off-road to the left, overturning into the trees. Driver was transported to an area hospital. Injuries are unknown, but the ambulance was traveling non-emergency. Click the bit link for updates to this breaking news story near Sarcoxie. I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now, Joplin News First.